And man, have we got a muscle car for you. Woo! We are in 1965 Mustang Fastback, and she's got some go. Oh yeah. Can't go wrong with it, mate. Fastback, got the Go Fast stripes, manual, dirty great big V8, good soundtrack.
Yeah, absolute poster car.
Oh yeah.
It was recently purchased, as you can see. I mean, it looks amazing. We just had a couple of little things wrong with it. We found the original with the Windsor engine to be a bit knocky, just a bit old and tired. So we quoted up a rebuild on that one and gave the customer some other options on crate engines and things. And luckily for us, we get to play with it. He picked the 408 Windsor stroker motor. 408 Windsor crate engine there. It's got the CVF Racing Serpentine kit. We also did a lot of wiring on this car. So it got a American Auto Wire harness plug and play kit for a 65 Mustang. So obviously the wiring being from 1965, that's now all nice and fresh. New radiator, twin thermo fans to keep the big 408 in check. It did have a Hydro Boost braking system. We've since upgraded that for a Willwood Master Cylinder 7-inch brake booster. Also replaced all lines as well. And then also got the clutch reconditioned to be able to take the power of the 408. And yeah, what do you think?
I think that this car is getting me aroused. You honestly, mate, you just can't get better
Pretty
than
awesome.
a good old manual V8 Fastback Mustang. It just brings a smile on your dial, this thing, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's definitely fun to drive with the 5-speed TKX mod.
Oh, yeah. Like, it's not only good outside, but you hop inside. It's got the gauges in the middle, like the genuine Shelby GT350 would have had.
Yep.
You know, you've got the right steering wheel, you've got the big shifter, like the old Hearst style. Of course, you feel right at home with a 5-point harness.
Yeah, you feel like you're ready to party when you put these on.
Absolutely.
Buckle up.
So ready to hit the street, and it got the Superformance touch. Mate, she's a 10 out of 10.
Oh, I can't fault it.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed the episode. We know we did. Make sure you tune in another fortnight for another episode. If you need any parts or any work done on your car, give us a call. Check out the website. See you next time.
Thanks guys.